back here on James's Cadillac. He sent me a text about a month ago that he had a little leak, and last time... Alright, here we are back on James's Cadillac. Last time we were here, we put on water pump and all that good stuff. James was driving it, I guess a month or two ago he was running it when he was here in town. And he noticed it had a small coolant leak. So he's filled the coolant back up. And he said it was over here, I believe on the driver's side. So I'm going to put the pressure tester on it so things don't get good and hot. And I'm going to find the leak. And then when we find the leak, we're going to fix the leak. And we'll be happy. Alright, so pressure testing the whole system. And as you can see, I have a drip here where the hose meets the top tank. I don't see anything else at the moment. I mean, with like 16 PSI in the system, we would know. But I'm gonna keep on keeping on. Let it sit a minute. I may even have to fire it up just to see. But I'm gonna tighten this up first. Alright, we got her up and running, which was no easy task. But she's running, good. I'm gonna let her build up temperature. Alright, so I've ran the car now about 15 minutes. Good and warm and up to temp. Not pressure. Let it sit. See if any leaks rubbed off when it heats up. Alright, so the car's off. You can hear it. That's water from when we pulled the pressure tester off. But you can hear it hissing a little bit. But it hasn't puked any water out the vent. But everything's dry. James, everything is dry. Every bolt. I'm always worried about the bolts and a little bit of water seeping past the threads, because some of these do go right into water. So I'm always worried about that. We have nothing right now. I'm going to wait about another 10 minutes so it heat soaks and pressurizes and all that. It sounds like it's letting its pressure off, actually. But we're looking good. I guess our only leak was really up here as of right now. Alright, so she's been sitting now 10-15 minutes. We're dry up top, down below. The only leak we found when we pressure tested was up there at the upper hose where it goes onto the tank. And that's not leaking anymore either. There is nothing leaking.